Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer money from bank to Venmo. To transfer money from bank to Venmo, all you need to do is open your Venmo app, log in, and click the dollar sheep icon at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. On the next field, you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner and go to payment methods. As you go to payment method, first of all, you have to add a bank account. So go ahead and click the bank account options. Add in the bank where you want to transfer money and from bank to Venmo. So go ahead and add in the bank account details. As soon as you're done adding in the bank account, now what you have to do is just go to the Me tab once again from the home page and tap on Add Money. Select the bank or a debit card and enter the exact amount and choose what payment method you'd like to use. So select the particular bank account and that way you'll be able to transfer money from bank to Venmo. This is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.